Hi guys, this is Miss Michelle from Little Sprouts Stratum. Today I am going to be making the Play-Doh that I make with Todd 2. So in this bowl you want to mix together 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cups of salt, and 4 teaspoons of cream of tartar. And then you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix that all together. I actually have never used the gel food coloring before, so I guess we'll see how this works out together. And once that's all mixed up is when you add your 2 cups of boiling water. I would have the kids obviously not use their hands, but we'll see what happens. Let's add a little food coloring to the water. Maybe that'll help. Mix that all together. So I added some food coloring to the water, that's why it's this color. And let's see. It just takes a lot of mixing. But that's really how you do it. Just mix and mix. It might need some extra flour depending on how wet it looks. But that's my recipe. And it usually works out pretty well with my kiddos. Thanks. Bye.